Welcome to
Let's all work with this.
today's topic is
Subject and object pronouns.
let's get started. Me and also I.
Me.
You.
Bo.
You, plural.
Nye.
He and also him.
Le.
She and also her.
Le.
It.
Le.
We and also us.
Wo.
They and also them.
Ame.
That's it for now. Be sure to catch our other videos for more learning. Bye! See you next time!